So hello sa inyo. Today we're gonna be deriving the Pythagorean identities. So we're already done with the Pythagorean theorem and the 6 trigonometric functions, the which are the basic principles on solving right triangles. And today we're gonna be deriving the Pythagorean identities. So once again, from the given right triangle, label this one as A, this one is B, and the longest side of the triangle is C. So from Pythagorean theorem, we already know that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So we're gonna be finding relations here. So let us just divide both sides of the equations by c squared, and let's see what we will gonna and let's see what relations or identity we're gonna get. So cancel this out. So that is 1 equals to, we factor this out by a over c raised to squared. That is just equal to this, and b over c squared. So from the 6 trigonometric functions, we know that suppose this is our reference angle, uh, and then so a over c, that is, so if this is a reference angle, that is opposite side of the angle over the hypotenuse. So from the given 6 trigonometric functions, we have the sine theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is a over c. And we have also the cosine theta as an adjacent side over hypotenuse. So adjacent side over hypotenuse, that is b over c. So we're gonna substitute this one to this. Bali 1 is equal to a over c, that is sine theta squared, plus b over c is cosine theta squared. So simplifying, we have the relation 1 is equal to, that this is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. And nagkaroon na tayo ng isang relation. Ito na yun. 1 is equal to sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. So once again, from the Pythagorean theorem, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And ngayon, i-divide naman natin siya sa a squared ang both sides of the equation. A squared. So gonna c over a squared, that is just equal to this. So is equal to a squared divided by a squared, that is 1, plus, so b over a squared. So this galing to sa sa laws of exponents. And then from the given 6 trigonometric functions, we have so this is c over a, meaning that is hypotenuse over the opposite side. So from the given, we have the cosecant theta as the hypotenuse over the opposite side, a. So that is c over a. So we're gonna pa-plug natin siya dito. Therefore, this is cosecant theta squared is equal to 1 plus, so yung b over a naman, that is the adjacent side over the opposite side, so that is the reciprocal of tangent, which is the cotangent theta, that is adjacent side b over the opposite side a. Bale dito, that is cotangent theta squared. So therefore, we have the relation cosecant squared theta is equal to 1 plus cotangent squared theta. So we derive another identity that cosecant squared theta is equal to 1 plus cotangent squared theta. Again, from the Pythagorean theorem, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So, i-divide naman natin siya by b squared. To both sides of equation. So, this is c over b, the loss or exponent, is equal to a over b squared plus, so b squared divided by b squared, that is 1. So, from the given 6 trigonometric functions, we have c over b. So, c over b is the hypotenuse over the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse over the adjacent side is the reciprocal of cosine, which is secant. Dito, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse c over adjacent side b. Bali dito, pa-plug natin siya. This is secant theta squared is equal to, so ito naman, a over b, that is opposite side over adjacent side, so that is tangent theta is opposite side over adjacent side, that is opposite side over adjacent side, a over b. So, pa-plug natin siya dito. Tangent theta squared plus 1. So, therefore, we have another relation that secant squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta plus 1. Now, sa next video natin, i-derive naman natin yung co-function identities. So, ngayon, tapos na tayo sa pag-derive ng Pythagorean Identities. So, I hope may natutunan din kayo. So, thank you and God bless.